In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and configure a quick create form for a table in Microsoft Dynamics 365 or Dataverse using Power Apps. Quick Create is a handy feature that allows for streamlined data entry without leaving your current page. Perfect for when you're adding new records from a subgrid or the top bar. Let's start by enabling the Quick Create option for your chosen table, also known as an entity. The first thing you need to do is head over to Power Apps. You can do this by navigating to makepowerapps.com or by opening your Dynamics 365 customizations if that's more your style. Once you're there, focus on the navigation pane and find the option labeled Data. Clicking on this will reveal another option called Tables, or if you're using an older interface, it might be referred to as Entities. Click on this and identify the table or entity you wish to enable for Quick Create. Now that we're working with the correct table, it's time to access its settings. You'll want to be on the Table or Entity page. Once there, peep at the command bar and find the button labeled Settings. Sometimes it may say Properties. Give that a click. You're looking to expand a section called More Settings. From here, we're going to dive into Create and Update Settings. A checkbox labeled Enable Quick Create Forms, or in some circumstances, it might say Allow Quick Create, is what you're after. Tick this box to enable the Quick Create Forms. Don't forget this crucial step. Saving the settings before moving on is essential. With Quick Create enabled, the next phase is to either identify if a Quick Create form already exists or if you'll need to create one from scratch. Let's assume you're starting fresh. The steps are pretty straightforward. Staying within Power Apps with your selected table active, spot the Forms option on the navigation panel and click it. On the Forms page, direct your attention to the top where you'll see Add Form. Click on this and then select Quick Create Form. Now you're in the Form Designer, a space where you can unleash a bit of creative flair while still ensuring efficiency. This is where you'll select and drag the specific data fields you want to include in your Quick Create form. Keep it concise to cover just the essentials needed for initial record creation. Once you're satisfied with the selection and positioning of your fields, make sure to save all your hard work. Finally, to activate these changes within your system, click the Publish button. And that's it! With these steps, you'll have successfully enabled and configured a Quick Create form. Enjoy the ease that comes with adding new data quickly and seamlessly into your Microsoft Dynamics or Dataverse environment. Keep watching for more tips and tricks to enhance your Power Apps experience.